How to fix notification not showing for new emails in Gmail app. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing what you have to do is head over to your settings, then go to notification. Then tap on more, select all, then see if the Gmail app notification is enabled or not. As you can see, for me this app notification is toggled on. If it is not toggled on for you, simply toggle on by tapping on it. The next step is head over to your Gmail, tap on the menu bar, then tap on settings, select the account, then on this notification section select all, and in inbox notification tap on notify for every message. Check these boxes and you will be done. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.